Bring forth the Sunlauncher!
I have no internet, and I must scream at something. Well, tough luck for you lot. I'm just gonna be screaming. You know why I'm pissed off lately? Why? Because Mother Nature is a fruitfulous little cunt that likes to throw down lightnings when she's in a fucking bad mood. And the worst thing of it all, it lands right round here, and I have no net till Wednesday, so I can blame this frigid cunt for ruining my fucking half a week. So, oh look, I'm Mother Nature. I like to piss down all the time and shine my weather all the fucking... I am internet dependent, and this bitch throws a strop, and I am stuck with this fucking no motion of levelly. You know, all the times I want to save for a frickin' special moment when I used to do these things, and, you know, I get angry, and then the world watches as I destroy everything in my sight. Well, yeah, thanks to the one or two people that pretty much like to do, this is coming back for one-off, and I'm very angry. Yeah, Mother Nature is a right nasty bitch. Second, pretty much, hang on, let me just get this one. Mother Nature is a bitch. Very evil bitch. An evil bitch that's second compared to Chippy Curry, who is the ultimate evil little sodomizing little bastard child of a God knows whatever demon crossed between 3 to 6 dimensions. But then she'll probably take it as a compliment and say, yay! I'm not talking about the evil chibified fox. The evil chibified fox will go down one day. I will not your minion. I am the mighty Tarrison. I never am anyone's bitch. Thanks for reminding me. So yeah, Mother Nature is a right bitch. She can throw down electrical thunderstorms in her haste, sweep the world in rainstorms, piss down in hail, and basically fry those that don't believe in her ways in fucking sunlight. This is uncalled for and is bullshit. Those living in the electronic age, I am stuck with writing her wrath. I have friends online, and I can't talk to them apart from a phone that goes off every once in a while to a one-sided fucking conversation I can't talk to with my friends. Like James and Corey and... yes, Indu Corey and Moose and Nick and Kalis and everyone. It's just seriously fucking mental. And I am stuck here till fucking 3 days with no net, bored out of my mind, and the only thing I can pretty much do right now is just play games, and even that gets boring once in a while. I need friends, I need interaction, I am dying without them, and it's this fucking bitch's fault. You know what? I'm not in the mood to blast things out of cannon. I'd rather take the stupid bitch by the throat, squeeze into this no life, throw her onto the Sunlauncher, aim her for the nearest fucking star, boom, out of my life, no one cares, nature can go fuck herself for all I care, fuck you, launch the Sunlauncher, I am angry! Fuck you!
To my nightmare!